I rely on my car to keep my life running smoothly. Whether it's getting to Pilates, hauling DIY supplies, or keeping the kids comfortable and safe, premium doesn't have to mean pricey, and my car proves that every time I hit the road. My life's motto, budget-friendly beauty. So I'm off to Pilates, which is one of my favorite times of the day because it's a time that as a busy mom and one that works, I get to take a little bit of me time. And it's definitely more than a workout. It is also about breathing intentionally. And when I do that, I find that I sleep better, my heart rate variability is so much better, and I feel like I get a good night's rest, which means I wake up the next day as a better mom and a better wife and a better person. So one of the many features on this Kia that I absolutely love is auto hold. You're gonna go ahead and press the button down here. You're gonna see it light up in your dashboard. You can take your foot off of the brake pedal, sit there, your car is not gonna move until you hit the gas. It's such a great way to idle safely. Another thoughtful feature that Kia has is the leading vehicle departure alert. So if you're at a stoplight and maybe you get a little bit distracted or maybe you're not paying full attention, it will let you know that the leading vehicle in front of you has gone and it's time to accelerate. Another cool feature that Kia has is a dashboard alert to make sure you check your rear seats for passengers or belongings. Check this out. What's really cool about that is that you don't have to worry about forgetting anyone or anything. Just got home from Pilates. I stopped by the thrift store, got some awesome vintage plates, got my groceries. Let's go inside and craft. And for all of my delicates, I always safely strap them in the front seat, and that's where those extra cup holders really come in handy. And remember that household plug? It comes in handy in so many ways, especially when I have a TV segment and things need last-minute hot glue gunning. My passenger is safely stowed, and what I love about this car is it's such a smooth ride, I don't have to worry about her at all. And now I'm off to my first work gig of the day, a TV segment.